The pandemic has inflicted huge damage on our economy. Labour wants to lead the fight to rebuild our economy and to protect workers, families and communities.
To do that, Labour are launching a new social contract. This is our plan for helping families and communities across Ireland to get through this crisis. That begins with having a new Irish National Health Service, fit for our healthcare heroes, and to start by buying at least 2 private hospitals.
For those that work, we want to protect you from losing your job if at all possible. We want to see a scheme for short-term work introduced. We're calling it Obergjahr, and it's modelled on what works in Germany. And for when you fall sick, we want you to have that right to paid sick leave.
We want to invest in our schools, to reduce class sizes, to cut costs for parents and to protect businesses who have been so badly affected during this pandemic.
Our housing market is broken. We want to build housing, protect renters, end homelessness and address land speculation and hoarding. We want to build 80,000 houses over the next 5 years that will help fight the housing crisis.
We want to protect our communities from Brexit by having 1 billion available for farmers and businesses if there is no deal.
And we want to increase our level of assistance to poorer countries to the level that we solemnly committed to the United Nations that we would achieve.
We also want to lead the fight against climate change by helping families insulate their houses and by putting more money into public transport.
And we want to roll out a public childcare system that will cut the cost of childcare in half for all families.
We want to lower the cost of third level fees by €1,000 every year, starting next year, until we achieve fully publicly funded education.
We want Ireland to be a great place to grow up in and to be welcome in. We want to protect workers, families and communities.
We want to pay for all of these things by increasing taxes on excessive wealth and assets, by taking money from the banks and the very wealthy who do not need it to get by, and giving it to the people who do.
That is what Labour stands for. That is who we are. We are the party of James Connolly, the party of equality, and we believe that every child in Ireland deserves a chance to fulfil their dreams. That is Labour's new social contract.